Hey everybody, let's make some chili. This is not a traditional or an authentic recipe. If it makes you feel better to call it chili beans or chili soup or bean soup, that's fine. But this is my recipe, and I hope you like it. First, we're gonna get half an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 bell pepper, a pound of ground beef. Now we have garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, coriander, smoked paprika, chili powder, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, olive oil, meat seasoning, and beef broth. After you dice your vegetables, you're going to open and drain 3 cans of beans. I'm using pinto beans, black beans, and red kidney beans. I'm swirling a few tablespoons of olive oil over a medium-high heat. Shouts out to my mom for getting me this towel buddy, constantly my biggest supporter. Love you, Mom. Now I'm going to saute my meat over medium-high heat. I'm using a 90-10 fat split, but you go ahead and use whatever you like. I'm using the El Chupacabra meat seasoning as well as about a teaspoon of kosher salt and a lot of pepper, maybe like 14 to 16 cracks of black pepper. Now we're going to stir this around for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it's mostly cooked. This looks great. So what we're going to do now is take our diced onion, garlic, and bell pepper and start sauteing in there. And we're also going to add another couple of tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to saute the vegetables for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, everything's looking great, so now we're going to de-glaze our pot. I'm going to use a little bit of beer, your favorite, or you can use white wine, or you could even use beef or chicken stock. Just pour it in there and you're going to begin stirring it around. As the liquid heats up, it's actually going to help you clean your pan or pot by getting all of those really good bits off the sides, and it's also going to get that flavor into your chili and start reducing the liquid down. Let's start getting our seasonings in. We're going to do a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, then a half teaspoon of cumin and coriander. Now we're gonna get a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, and then a quarter teaspoon of light chili powder and cayenne pepper. Now remember, your sister's coming over and she cannot handle that much chili powder, so remove what you think is best and empty out your beef broth and 1 can of tomatoes undrained. Next, we're going to add in our beans. These are drained and rinsed. I have pinto, black, and red beans. Last is a bay leaf and a little salt. Don't worry about mixing it. And after you stirred everything together, put the lid on. You're going to increase the heat to high. We want to come to a boil and then bring it down to a simmer. This is me forgetting to add that little bit of salt. So let's go with a teaspoon and a half of kosher salt. We're going to be reducing this for more than 2.5, almost 3 to 4 hours, so you don't want to oversalt it. Wish it well, stir occasionally, and come back in 4 hours. After 3.5 to 4 hours, this is looking fantastic. We're going to kill the heat, and it's ready to serve. That's it. Garnish with your favorite toppings, serve with a side of crackers or chips, and enjoy. Please like, comment, share, and thanks everybody. Have a great day.